Guangdong Lianyi Textile Co Limited is located in Dalong Town, Dongguan City, Guangdong Province. It is a clothing group company integrating spinning and weaving. It can not only provide yarn for customers, but also help contractors to wrap clothes. Our productivity is with strong strength. It has more than 100 sets of professional textile equipment, can provide more than 20 sets of creative designer clothing, and has strong research and development capabilities. We have more than 20 years of foreign trade production experience, rich experience in ODM and OEM production, and have cooperated with many well-known foreign brands all year round. This is our showroom. We can provide customers with free samples, and also welcome customers to negotiate. We have a set of yarn factory with textile integration. Our factory has 5,000 square meters and 200 workers. We have 100 spinning machines in operation every day. Meanwhile, we have 50 sewing machines. We have a lot of stock. Customized products can also be quickly produced for high-volume samples. Production includes yarn material, merino wool yarn, cashmere yarn, angora yarn, silk yarn, mohair yarn, crochet yarn, roving yarn, alpaca yarn, acrylic yarn, polyester yarn, lamb yarn, viscose yarn, cotton yarn. Sweaters, women's sweaters, men's sweaters, kids' sweaters, Christmas sweaters, uniform sweaters, pet sweaters, hats, scarves and gloves, socks and knit bags, etc. Guangdong Lianyi Textile Co. Limited has RWS test certificate. All our products can meet the test certificate of EU Ecotex Standard 100 and GRS, ISO 9001, etc. The main sales regional markets are the United States, the United Kingdom, Russia, Canada, Australia, Bangladesh, Italy, Turkey, Germany, South Korea, France, Vietnam, Pakistan, the Philippines, Indonesia, Kenya, Spain, Norway, Denmark, India and Nepal.